Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Banana wallet to your Binance. So this is really easy. So you have to just go and download a wallet, and this could be Trust wallet, and you can choose any of the wallet which generally it's a better one, right? You can download this up and you can use it. Right now, once you do this, you have to set up your Trust wallet. Make sure to securely save your seed phrase and note your wallet address. Log into your Binance account and purchase Ethereum, which will serve you as a base currency for transaction. Go to your Binance wallet, select Ethereum and choose to withdraw. Enter your Trust wallet address and the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. So once you open your Binance account here, you can just go and buy. Now once you go by, and here you will get this option to withdraw your account. For example, if I just go to my assets here, right, in the assets I can just go and withdraw. So here I can buy. For example, if I purchase Ethereum, then it will show me how much Ethereum I have here. I can just go and withdraw or transfer. So here in the withdraw section, it will ask your enter the address, which you have to enter your Trust wallet address, right, and select the network, and you can just withdraw this up, right? So this is the way which you can do it, and it's really easy to do. And in the exchange, you can choose DXE that support banana transaction, right? For example, it is a 1 inch. Ensure that the DX compatible with the Trust wallet. On the DEX, connect your Trust wallet by entering your wallet address. Use your ETH to trade for banana or any specific asset you're looking for. If banana does not appear in the list, you may need to find the smart contract address on the site like Etherscan or input it manually. After selecting the amount and confirming the transaction details, click on swap button to finalize your trade. So this is it, and if you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.